Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset the service light on a Land Rover Discovery. First, turn your ignition to position 2, but do not start the engine. Make sure all your doors are completely closed. Now, find the trip reset button on your instrument cluster. This button is crucial for the next steps in the reset process. We'll use it to navigate the menu and confirm the reset. Once you've located the trip reset button, press and hold it down for about 10 seconds. Keep holding until you see the service menu appear on your vehicle's display screen. This menu provides access to various maintenance functions. As soon as the menu is visible, you can release the button. Be patient, as it might take a few moments to appear. Now that you're in the service menu, use the same trip reset button to scroll through the available options. Briefly press and release the button to move between selections. Stop when you see Reset Service or a similar phrase highlighted on the screen. To confirm your choice and initiate the reset, press and hold the trip reset button again for a few seconds. After holding the button, a confirmation message like Service Reset Successful should appear on your display. This indicates the reset is complete. Now, turn your ignition completely off and remove the key. Wait a few moments, then restart your engine. The service light should now be off, confirming you've successfully reset it. Congratulations, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.